All right, check this out. What do you think of that? How's that look? Looking good. Mac and cheese with kielbasa. Well, happy mac and cheese day. I'm gonna be making mac and cheese, and I'm gonna be doing about 1.5 cups of some smoked Gouda here. And we're gonna get about 3 cups of this cheddar cheese here, ground up and in a bowl. Start out with the cheddar. There we go, we got it all put together because we're not gonna put them in separate, so it don't matter. It's closer to 2 cups of the Gouda, maybe 1 3/4 cups, and about 3 cups of cheddar. Also, I'm just gonna do about 1 pound of these right here, these elbow macaroni noodles, and just cook them up by manufacturer's directions in water. I just have those ready. All right, so we got the, right down here, we got the 2 cups of half and half, and we're gonna go ahead and mix in some kielbasa in our mac and cheese. Right here we got some ground mustard, that's 1 tablespoon of ground mustard, 4 tablespoons of some flour, 1/4 cup of butter going in. Four tablespoons of flour to make a little roux here. Mix that on up in here. Browning up that flour real nice. Add in some of this half and half here. Just go ahead and add all this in here. Stir some of that up. Just sizzling. Get the rest of it in here. That's going to cool it down for a minute. Continue mixing that in. Add this ground mustard in there. You know, I probably should add the ground mustard first. Ha! Oh well, we'll get it mixed in. Now all that cheese, let's go ahead and drop it on in here. Getting this cheese sauce going here. Oh yeah. But that's not all, folks. We got cheddar, we've got Gouda, and now we've got cream. Now, about 4 ounces is what it called for, but we're not splitting it. We're just going to do all 8. Let's throw it in. Let that heat on up. Oh, that spoon got hot. Okay, we'll let that heat up. Kind of stir it every now and then. I do have the Pit Boss heating up to 225 right now. And what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and let this heat up. We're going to have to stir this every now and then to make sure that stays good. Get that spoon away from that heat a little bit. And then if you follow me over here, we're going to take this, we can break it up some, put it on here, and we're going to let it cook for a minute. We're eventually going to put this inside the dish, but we can cut this up some. And then let's go check our sauce. Just need to get that melted in just a little better. We just kind of got it on low now. We brought it kind of to a boil, and then we're just kind of letting it more like simmer and get all this mixed in, melted up real good. All right, we're just gonna remove that from the heat now. Sauce, what do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good, don't it? Yep.
Thick and creamy.
We'll add the noodles to that in a minute. We got the sausages kind of cooking up a little bit. We're gonna throw those in there. So now I got all the sauce all done there, and we're gonna go ahead and add, we got 1 pound of noodles going in here. Of these elbow noodles, and we're just gonna go ahead and put those in, mix that up. There we go, it's looking good. Now I'm gonna sprinkle it with some of my favorite Creole. Let me get this out of the way. Just like that. We'll slide that in. I'm gonna let these cook for about another 10 or 15. We'll let this get about 15 minutes of smoke. Then we're gonna add these into that. Gosh, don't that look good. So these have been cooking a while. We're just gonna go ahead now and just kind of put them right in here. Look at that. Right inside. What is it you like to add to your mac and cheese? What is your mix in? Do you have one? Let me know. That looks good, don't it? Just let that one kind of cook up by itself there, and then we'll get that taken off soon. Go ahead and let's just take some of this. It's a meal right here. Oh yeah, look at that steam. Look at that right there. That kielbasa coming off there. That's all right. We're gonna get a little more of this right like so. And let me tell you, I'm a big fan of the Creole. I'm gonna top a little bit of that, more of that right on there. Just kind of sprinkle it over just a little bit. All right, let's go. Mac and cheese, baby. National Mac and Cheese Day. Here we go. Come on now. Wow. I think you can taste the kielbasa before I ate it. Unbelievable.